Good evening to all you awesome people. I welcome you all on our YouTube channel JPSC Simplified. Let's crack JPSC. So in the last lecture, we have seen the religious places of Jharkhand and today we will continue the same art and culture series of Jharkhand. So today, the first temple that we will look into is the Devri temple. It is located in Tamar, Ranchi, and this temple more often remains in the news because our cricket team captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni used to visit this temple often. Okay, so what is the unique feature of this temple? Goddess Durga has 16 hands. That is, the idol here is of Goddess Durga, which has 16 hands. Normally, Goddess Durga has 8 hands. Devri temple is also believed to be the only temple where 6 tribal priests known as Pahans perform rituals and offer prayers alongside the Brahmins priests who are mainly known as Pandas. That is, this temple also has a unique feature that out of the 7 days in a week, 6 days prayers are performed by the Pahans, that is, they are the tribal priests, and 1 day prayers are performed by the Brahmin priests who are known as Pandas. Animal sacrifice is done by the Pahan during the Dashera festival. Now the next temple that we have to study is Haldi Ghati temple. It is located in Gumla district. This place is similar to Haldi Ghati for Naga dynasty and Raxol dynasty. That is the two indigenous dynasties of Jharkhand, Naga dynasty and Raxol dynasty. They used to fight wars with themselves in this place, and that's why this place has been termed as an Haldi Ghati. The next, I think there is a misprint here. No, it should be 15th temple, but here it is written 20. So pardon me. Now, Ma Bhadrakali temple, it is located in Chatra in Itkhori block, situated on the bank of river Mahanad or Mahane, surrounded by hill and forest. Here you can see Ma Bhadrakali temple located in Chatra. There is a water reservoir which has a natural beauty of its own. People flock to watch its eternal beauty on Bishua, Kartik Purnima, a festival after Chhat, and enjoy bath and sunbath. Confluence of three religions, that is Jainism, Buddhism and Hinduism. So this temple has a unique feature, that is it is a confluence of three religions. What it is? Of Hinduism, Jainism and Buddhism. Okay. 1008 Shivlinga are present in this temple. So very important that how many Shivlinga are present in this temple. So 1008 Shivlinga. Construction was done by Pal ruler Mahendra Pal II in the 9th century. Okay. Now the next temple is Basuki Nath Dham. It is located in Dumka district. Badrinath Dham, we have seen it is located in Deoghar district. Basuki Nath Dham is located in Dumka district. It is associated with Samudra Manthan. So recently, I think most of you have seen Vishnu Puran, which is aired in DD National, and there maybe you have came across Samudra Manthan. So the Samudra Manthan that took place in Vishnu Puran, it was done in this place only, that is Basukinath Dham. Deity here is Shiva. Construction was done by Basaki Tanti, a Harijan. Okay, a Harijan named Basaki Tati constructed this Basukinath Dham in Dumka district, complementary to Badrinath Dham. That is, mainly the devotees which visit Badrinath Dham, they believe that if they have visited Badrinath Dham and if they don't visit Basukinath Dham, their prayers will not reach God, their prayers will not reach to God. Okay, and that's why it is termed as complementary to Badrinath Dham. The next temple is the Sun Temple located in Ranchi. This is the Sun Temple. Its shape is of a big chariot with 18 wheels and 17 life-like horses. So you should remember this fact Thus, this temple is in the form of a big chariot with 18 wheels and 7 lifelike horses that seems to be ready to take off into the sky. Temple provides a calm and peaceful environment with a pond in its complex. The pond is sacred to Chhatravartis, devotees taking part in the Chhat Puja. So who are Chhatravartis? They are devotees that who took part in the Chhat Puja, who believe that a dip in the pond will rid them of their sins. Construction was done by Sanskriti Vihar organization. It is also known as Patthar par likhi hui kavita. So if a question asked to you that which temple is known as Patthar par likhi hui kavita, so it is the Sun Temple of Ranchi. Okay. The next temple is Das Sees Mahadev Temple located in Japla, Palamo in the middle of Son River. Next temple is Chintamani Temple located in Palkot, Gumla. Next is Anjangram Temple. It is also located in Gumla. It is believed to be the birthplace of Lord Hanuman. So most of you know that Lord Hanuman is known as Anjani Putra. So Anjangram, Anjani Putra, you can relate this, located in Gumla district. 21 is Radha Vallabh Temple. Radha Vallabh Temple is located in Ranchi district. Its construction was done by Nag ruler Raghunath Shah in 1685 AD. First priest is Guru Brahmachari Harinath, again Dvij Harinath. Deity worshipped here is Sri Ram, Lakshman and Sita. This temple is popularly known as Sita Ram temple. So a question may be asked to you in the prelims examination that which temple is known as Sita Ram temple. So Radha Vallabh temple located in Ranchi is known as the Sita Ram temple. Okay. So the next temple is Rankini Devi Temple. Rankini Devi Temple is located in Eastern Singhbhum. Where? Eastern Singhbhum. Next, Maluti Temple. Maluti Temple is located in Dumka district. Okay, its construction was done by Raja Baj Basant Maluti. It is known as village of temples. Very, very important that Maluti is known as village of temples. Architecture is Nagara style, Dravid style and Besara style. So a confluence of Nagara, Dravid and Besara architecture is found in this temple. Which temple? Maluti temple located in Dumka district. Okay. Now, clan deity Mauliksha, seen from Mahabharata, Ramayana, Devi Durga Prasang, and made up of brick, surkhi, and lime. So, this Maluti temple is located in it is made up of brick, surkhi and lime. And one of the most important thing that you should remember that 72 temples is left out of 108 temples. So initially there were 108 temples in Maluti, but now only 72 of them are remaining. Okay, so the next temple is Gol Pahadi temple. Gol Pahadi temple is located in Jamshedpur, East Singhbhum. Okay, Jamshedpur in East Singhbhum district. 100 years ago, Ramdev named lady worshipped Pahadi Mata for the first time. Height is 600 feet. Special puja is performed in the month of May in this temple. So Gol Pahadi temple, it is located in Jamshedpur in Eastern Singhbhum district. Okay, so you should remember the locations of this temple. Very, very important. Then Katha Shiv temple is located in Ramgarh district. It is also a national heritage. Construction was done by Ramgarh ruler Daler Singh in the 17th century. It is used for military. Bengal, Mughal and Rajput architecture is found in this temple. Okay. Now the next temple is Deoghar Ghod Simar Dham Kodarma. Okay, Deoghar Dham or God Simar Dham. It is located in Koderma district. Very, very important. Okay, a shivling is there in this place. So Deoghar Dham, if it is asked to you, so where it is located, Deoghar Dham or Godsimar Dham, it is located in Koderma district. Then Mata Chanchala Devi, it is also located in Koderma district. It is also a Shakti Pit. So in the previous lecture we have studied what is a Shakti Pit. Shakti Pit is that place where body parts of Sati, the wife of Shiva, fall. Okay. Now Diti, Durga, Prasad, Arva, rice and Misri. So Prasad which is distributed in this temple, Mata Chanchala Devi temple in Koderma, is made up of Arva, rice and Misri. Okay. The 28th number temple is Mauliksha temple. Mauliksha temple is located in Dumka district, constructed by Nankar ruler Basant Rai, one of the 108 temples of Maluti. So very important, Mauliksha temple is one of the 108 temples located in Maluti in Dumka district. Okay. Now the next one is Amreshwar Dham. Amreshwar Dham is located in Khuti. Here you can see the Amreshwar Dham. Its deity worshipped here is Shiva, Shivling, Swambhu appeared on its own. Okay, the Shivling present in this Amareshwar Dham, it is said to be a Swambhu. Swambhu, that is, it appeared on its own. And one of the unique feature of this temple is that no roof is located over the main Shivling. No roof is located over the main Shivling. So Amareshwar Dham, Khuti. Trikuti Dham, located in Deoghar. Three main peaks in the hill, that's why known as the Trikutachal. Okay, so there are three main peaks on the hill and that's why it is known as Trikutachal. Height is 2470 feet. So Trikuti Dham located in Deoghar. Deity worshipped here is Shiva. 31st is Mahadev Shal located in Western Singhbhum. Deity worshipped here is Shiva near Goilkera inside Saranda forest. Okay, so Mahadev Shal located in West Singhbhum, Indo-Aryan architecture. Ma Giri Rajeshwari temple located in Kiriburu, Saranda, Jamshedpur, Eastern Singhbhum. Okay, Indo-Aryan architecture and visit is made by the devotees during Navratri. So Ma Giri Rajeshwari temple, Kiriburu, Saranda, Jamshedpur. Then next temple is Kulbonga Mahadev. Kulbonga Mahadev, it is located in Jamshedpur district, Jamshedpur in Eastern Singhbhum district. Manoharpur and Saranda, big Shivalinga is present in this temple, special fair during Mahashivaratri. So Kulbonga temple or Kulbonga Mahadev temple located in Jamshedpur. Then Pahadi Mandir located in Ranchi. Very important. This is the Pahadi Mandir and Pahadi Mandir, it is located in Ranchi. Deity is deity worshipped here is Shiva. Real name is Rich Buru. So this temple is also known by Rich Buru. Pahadi Mandir located in Ranchi. Panchvahini Temple. Panchvahini Temple is located in Patratu, Ramgarh district. Then we have Jharkhand Dham. Jharkhand Dham in Dhanwar block in Giridih district. So Jharkhand Dham. See, earlier we have read about Baidyanath Dham in Deoghar district, then Basukinath Dham in Dumka district. We have uh, Jharkhand Dham in Giridih district, and one more Dham we studied in Koderma district, I think. Yeah, Deoghar Dham. Deoghar Dham we studied in your which district? Koderma district. So you must remember this small facts, no? And these things will be asked to you in examinations. Okay. So the deity worshipped here is Lord Shiva. There is a fair during Shivratri and building are roofless. So very important fact of this your Jharkhand Dham is that buildings here are roofless and located in Giridih district. Yes, Giridih district. Okay. Now the next temple is Bodhya temple located in Ranchi. Deity worshipped here is Ram, Sita and Lakshman, also known as Madan Mohan temple. So which temple is known as Madan Mohan temple? MMT. Madan Mohan Temple, Bodhaya Temple, Ranchi. Bodhaya Temple, Ranchi. Foundation was laid down by Lakshmi Narayan Tiwari. Next temple is Kanhaiya Temple in Rajmahal. Okay, Kanhaiya Temple located in Rajmahal. Then we have Chitreshwari Temple in Eastern Singhbhum. Deity worshipped here is Shiva. Next temple is Thakur Badi Temple located in Deoghar, Pakud Road, Lord Shiva, White Jyotirlinga. Okay, then we have Mangal Chandi Temple in Bokaro. Mangal Chandi Temple. It is located in Bokaro and women are prohibited entry in this temple. Then we have Telakuppi temple in the Manbhum area. That is Manbhum area, which area? In the area around Dhanbad district. Telakuppi temple in Manbhum area. There are 13 temples. Deity worshipped is Lord Shiva. What? Lord Shiva. Next is Dalmi temple located in Dhanbad district. Deity worshipped here is Lord Vishnu. So here I think all the temples we have completed. Now we will go to some of the churches. We have GEL Church, Ranchi. Foundation was laid down by Father Goshner in 1845 AD. Construction by Pester Hirazak. So that is not very important who constructed it, but you should remember that GEL Church is located in Ranchi and foundation was led by Father Gosner. This Gosner, no, he is also related to the education of Jharkhand. When we will read about the education of Jharkhand, there we will read about a mission called Gosner Mission, okay, which came to Jharkhand and propagated Christianity. Then we have St. Paul Church in Ranchi, construction in 1873 by General Rowlatt. Next we have St. Cathedral Church. It is also located in Ranchi district. And the last one is Jami Masjid. Jami Masjid, it is located in Sahebganj. Okay, so generally you see the three churches which we have seen, they are all located in Ranchi district, that you should remember. And masjid, we have studied about this one masjid which is located in Sahebganj, and one more masjid we studied earlier, no? So two masjid, three churches, and rest we have studied about the temples. So my dear friends, here we come to the end of religious places of Jharkhand. Hope you liked the lecture. If you liked it, please share with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel, and we will meet again in the next lecture with some other topic under art and culture section of Jharkhand. Okay? Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.